The year is almost over, and soon it will be December, a month filled with holiday spirit. However, Samsung is likely busy preparing for the launch of the Galaxy S24 lineup expected on January 17. They're focusing on the Exynos 2400 chip, which will power the base Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus in most markets. Samsung took a year off to improve its Exynos chips, and with almost 2 years of work on the Exynos 2400, there's hope it will be an excellent chip. As consumers, should we give Samsung and Exynos a chance next year? Maybe not. Flagship phones are expensive, and we should expect the best for our money. Samsung hasn't proven it will offer the best with the Galaxy S24 lineup. Corporations care about money, not us. Samsung's phones are cheaper than iPhones because Samsung can't charge as much, not because they are doing us a favor. Apple's iPhone and Mac processors have been amazing, outperforming Samsung's Exynos chips. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 closed the gap this year, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is expected to be even better. Even if the Exynos 2400 is efficient and offers good battery life, Samsung needs to regain our trust. If it proves its worth next year, we can consider Exynos Galaxy flagships in 2025. For now, the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus are still excellent choices. The S24 and S24 Plus won't bring major upgrades, and some features will likely come to the S23 series with updates. The only downside is missing a year of updates with the Galaxy S24.